What's up, guys? B-Rob here. Have you been wondering if and how do protein shakes help you lose weight? Well, today I'm going to discuss 3 ways protein shakes may help you lose weight, and I'm going to do this all in about 3 minutes. I'll be right back. As you know, I read all the comments that you guys leave me on my videos, and what I've seen is that more and more people these days are turning to protein shakes as a way to lose weight. Protein is an essential nutrient in our diet, but the problem is that we often don't get enough of it from our daily eating habits or from food alone. Since protein is such a valuable nutrient, we need to find a way of getting more of it into our bodies, and protein shakes make the perfect solution. There are actually 3 different ways that protein shakes can help you lose weight. 1 is by boosting your metabolism, 2 is by satisfying your appetite, and 3 is by making you burn more calories than usual. To understand how these phenomena work, we first need to look at how our bodies process protein. Your body handles protein in 2 different ways. 1 is it uses the extra protein you eat to build new muscle tissue, and 2, it breaks down the excess protein into amino acids, which it then uses for all sorts of other important functions throughout your body. These 2 operations work side by side throughout the day. The problem with too much protein is that your body can only use a certain amount of it before it starts to break down into amino acids and convert them into glucose. But there's more to it than just that. Protein shakes also help you burn more calories because drinking a protein shake produces greater protein-induced thermogenesis, which is a process in which your body burns more calories as a result of digesting the protein. And this increase in caloric burn helps you lose weight. Once your body gets used to using these extra amino acids for energy, it starts to break down fat cells and use them as well. This is all part of boosting your metabolism. If you want to know how protein shakes work for you, one way to find out is by trying it out for yourself. The secret is not just to take a protein shake every morning, but also to adjust other aspects of your lifestyle so that you create a caloric deficit overall. This means that you need to be more active or eat less or possibly even both. Eating just enough protein every day is the best way to go, but you have to use common sense. For example, if you're on a high protein diet because your doctor prescribed it for medical reasons, then by all means keep up with your protein shakes. But if you are looking for a weight loss miracle, you might come to the conclusion that protein shakes alone aren't the answer. For most people who want to lose weight, it's important to create a caloric deficit, and eating more protein is one way of doing this. If you're not sure what your daily caloric intake should be, then you may want to speak to a dietitian first. So in the comments below, tell me what you think. Have you tried using protein shakes to help you lose weight? What was your experience if so? Also, check out my protein shake review videos, and I will have more for you in the coming weeks. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at thisisb_Rob, or check out my website, thisisbrob.com. And as always, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for tuning in. This is B-Rob.